Up in the sky, above the tallest trees, there was a tiny cloud named Puffy. While all the other clouds rained, thundered, or snowed, Puffy just floated quietly. "I don't want to make anyone wet or cold," he whispered. "I just want to be kind." But one hot day, the flowers below began to wilt, and the rivers started to dry. Puffy looked down, his little heart heavy. So he closed his eyes, took a big breath, and let his very first raindrops fall. And just like that, the flowers danced, the rivers sang, and Puffy smiled. Because sometimes, being kind means doing what's needed, even if it's hard.